you're a content creator, small business owner, or a skincare brand like me, listen up. I just discovered a tool that is about to change the game for all of us. I just made 2 complete product ads, skincare and weight loss, using AI. And guys, this is amazing. No studio, no ring light, no model, just this AI tool. This AI tool is 1 in a million. You can give it anything and it transforms your video to anything you want it to be. And you can also upload your own product avatar and upload your product. And this AI is going to hand this product to your avatar. And this avatar is going to create you cinematic videos that sell. I mean, guys, this is amazing. This is a life-changing opportunity for us. So many times I own a weight loss brand and a skincare brand, and it's really difficult to be creating ads every day for these brands. I mean, guys, it's exhausting, it's tiring, it's draining. Sometimes I literally skip advertising because I don't know what else to do. But this AI tool has changed everything for me. Right now, I don't even need to bother about what kind of ads to create anymore because this AI is going to take care of everything for me. So in this video, I'll be giving you a complete step-by-step tutorial from creating the script to the final video. Guys, if you're a business owner or you're building a beauty brand or a lifestyle brand, then you must watch this video to the end because this is literally going to change your life. This is really going to change the game for you. I mean, this one will make work easy for you. This is going to help you ease the stress, the burden, and avoid burnout. So let's get right into the tutorial. And before we dive into this tutorial, if you love finding new creative tools or just want to see how I grow my brand using AI tech, then go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to this family, because in this family, we bring to you latest AI tools that can work magic for your businesses, that can help you grow a brand, and that can make you earn money online while doing all this facelessly. So why don't you drop AI boss in the comment section if you're ready to level up, and let's take this to another level. So let's jump right into the tutorial, beginning with my Splash Pellis brand. First thing, head over to Topreview AI, and I started with the product ads for my skincare brand, and it was the caramel body lotion. Here you click on the product avatar. Once it opens, you scroll down and look for the avatar you would like to go with. For me, I really did like this brown skin girl because she fits the skin tone of my advert concept. Once you select your avatar, you will be asked to upload an image of your product. Once that is done, you hit generate and your avatar will be holding the product ready to turn into a video. To do that, just click create avatar and it will take you to where you will be asked to input your script. Once that is done, hit generate and that's it. You've got your avatar advertising your product.
Hey beautiful, let's talk about your glow, your real, radiant, natural glow. Introducing the Caramel Body Lotion by Splash Pellis, your daily dose of hydration, tone, and confidence. This isn't just any lotion, it's skin therapy in a bottle. Specially formulated to even out your skin tone, enhance your natural caramel richness, and leave your body feeling silky smooth all day long. And here's the glow up secret. Pair it with our glass skin oil. Apply the lotion first, then seal in the moisture and radiance with the oil. The result? Skin that looks polished, toned, and glowing like glass, soft, touchable, and undeniably luminous. Whether you're showing skin or just owning your day, your body will speak confidence without saying a word. Glow deeper, shine bolder.
I went ahead and I tried their wig product ad and it was mind-blowing. For those people selling wigs or are into drop shipping, you can now use your own avatar, any person of your choice, even a celebrity, to wear and advertise your wigs. I know many vendors sell wigs and might not even have the real wig, just a digital copy. This is your chance to take that photo of the wig, look for any product avatar you would like to slay this week, and just head over to Topreview AI. The avatar will wear your wig and run the ads for you. All you need to do is to head over to Topreview AI, select product avatar, then scroll down to where you will see wigs. Click on it and you will be asked to use their inbuilt avatar, or you upload your own avatar. Just upload your avatar and bring in your avatar. Once that is done, upload the hair you will love the avatar to advertise, and my goodness, this AI will lay down the wig on her like a pro hair installer. No need for lengthy installations. Go ahead, hit generate, and that's it. You get your avatar wearing your wig. To create a video, just continue with create avatar, copy your script and paste hit generate, and your final video will be looking as flawless as this one. Here's the final video ad.
Ladies, let's be real, your hair is your crown, but not all crowns shine the same. That's why I'm bringing you premium 100% human hair that looks, feels, and moves just like your own. The hair you see me wearing is a 16-inch semi-curly bob wig with golden highlights, HD lace, perfect for a bossy look. No tangles, no shedding, just silky, natural hair that blends seamlessly. Whether you're slaying curls, sleek straight, or a bold new look, it's lightweight, long-lasting, and ready to turn heads the moment you step out. So why settle for less when flawless is just one click away? Get your perfect look today and let your hair do the talking. Contact me if you want to make a purchase. I will be leaving a link below that you can click and directly purchase this wig.
So after watching the complete tutorial with the Splash Pellis brand, next up is the Trim and Fit Diet Coffee. Let's create an AI ad that explains how it helps with weight loss, boosts energy, and tastes amazing. With this ad, you need to choose another avatar or you upload your own avatar. With the Splash Pellis ad, we use the avatar from the platform, but with the Trim and Fit Diet ad, we are going to upload our avatar and use it for this tutorial. The last ad I ran with Topreview was my weight loss product, and all you do is follow the same method you did with the first two products, which is upload your avatar or use inbuilt avatar. Then upload your product and generate the character with the product first. Then later, move to generating the video. They also have avatar video on the dashboard, but using that method with a free account has limited what you can input as a script. So I went ahead. I tried with the video avatar method instead of the product avatar method, and this was the result. I had a limit on the amount of words to use. So if you want to increase the number of words, you have to go in for the paid version. So that's it. Go ahead and send those ads out. Your first customer is just nearby waiting.
You wake up already tired, your legs ache, your back screams. Walking feels like a workout, thighs clapping, knees straining, breath heavy after just a few steps.
So guys, let's look at the final ad side by side and see which one hits home better. I mean, Trim and Fit Diet Coffee or Splash Pellis brand. So look at it and leave a comment in the comment section and tell me which one will sell much more better. This is literally two different products, two different styles with one powerful AI platform. I mean, this is amazing. I can't wait to see the final results after I post it on my social media platform. Finally, if you're tired of paying editors or paying for countless photo shoots, or you're just tired of promoting your brand all by yourself, then this is a game changer for you. This is a life-changing opportunity for you to start promoting your products using AI. This is your sign to keep trying AI tools because AI is definitely taking over. It's literally helping business owners and brands to build their brands effortlessly. Please guys, drop a comment below if you want more tools like this, and like this video if this video actually helped you. And do not forget to subscribe if you want more weekly branding and marketing hacks. If you're curious, both products I showed today are real, then go to my description box and check out Splash Pellis and Trim and Fit Diet Coffee. And until then, you're watching Fashion Creation Studio. See you on the next one. Bye!